ये जो फिल्म जो बनाई है वो विक्टर ने लिखी है और विक्टर ने डायरेक्ट भी की है। बहुत मजा आया हम सबको काम करके। कहानी बहुत पसंद आई, मुझे बेहद पसंद आई कहानी। और इट्स समथिंग दैट रियली टच्ड मी, एक्साइटेड मी इन एवरी वे। और धूम में मैं एक्चुअली क्लैरिफाई कर, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू हैव द रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन। जो आमतौर पे जो हिंदी फिल्मों के विलन होते हैं उस किस्म का विलन होता नहीं धूम में, एक्सेप्ट आई थिंक इन धूम वन ही वाज more conventional black and white villain, but so I don't want people to feel कि कुछ मैं villain का रोल कर रहा हूँ जो एकदम black है या जो बहुत बुरे काम करता है, उस किस्म का villain नहीं है। But I did the film because I really loved the role and I was looking forward to the opportunity of working with Abhishek and Uday, and I must say it was a great experience। दोनों के साथ काम करके बेहद मजा आया। और दोनों के लिए मैंने एक नाम भी रखा है, याजूद माजूद।
ये क्या है?
आप लोग जानते हैं याजूद माजूद क्या है? नहीं जानते आप? मेरी अम्मी मुझे बताती थी जब मैं छोटा था कि दो फरिश्ते होते हैं जो आपके कंधों पे बैठे रहते हैं। जब भी आप कोई गलत काम करने जा रहे हैं तो एक फरिश्ता बोलता है मत करो यार, ये गलत काम है, ठीक नहीं है, मत करो। दूसरा बोलता है कर लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एक ही जिंदगी, एक जो करना है कर लो। तो दोनों याजूद माजूद लगे मुझे, उदय और अभिषेक। उदय जो है वो सीधा है, फिल्म के अंदर टेढ़ा है वो फिल्म के अंदर टेढ़ा है, और जय दीक्षित सीधा है, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट है। उदय सीधा है और ये टेढ़ा है, तो याजूद माजूद।
I think the challenges that are normal in the making of any film, they were the same challenges. Getting Abhishek back in the saddle with me. There were, I mean, it was a pretty good journey. No, it didn't influence my script. I think the important thing is first to write what you think, what the next franchise, what the next story should be. And I'm very keen to direct whatever I write. I'm quite happy with this.
G, you answered the question in your question. He's still ACP Jay Dikshit. We'll ask Amir to help us to get him promoted. But nahi, third film he's still an ACP.
मुझे पकड़ने के बाद जरूर DCP बन जाएंगे। Well, I think for me every film is a challenge. So I think in this film again, the performance that was asked of me was a big challenge. It's a tough role, and as I said, I was looking forward to working with Abhishek and with Uday. I have not worked with them earlier. Katrina, I had never worked with Katrina earlier, so I was looking forward to working with her, and I must say we had a great time. Yeah.
I must tell you actually a small. मैं बोल दूँ? Sorry. I'm dying to say this. It's a very high point in any actor's career when suddenly your phone rings and you pick it up and it says Amir Khan on it. And I remember Amir called me and he said, "Yaar, I've just heard the script. It's superb. We'll have a great time." And I said, "Yeah, we will." He didn't know I had not heard the script. "You have a very good role, huh?" I said, "Thanks." अभी मैं उनको कैसे बताऊं कि I have not heard the script? मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूं पिक्चर में। So I said, yeah, हम लोग ये करेंगे. He went into a discussion about my character. I had no clue what he was talking about. And I think this is the first time I'm telling you about this.
Yeah, I didn't know this.
So I've managed to, pull this through with him. But it was so wonderful for Amir just to call, and it shows his enthusiasm for what he does. Uday and I are very junior in front of him. And it was purely our pleasure to work with him. But the fact that he was more excited to work with the whole team and with Victor and Katrina and Uday and myself, it was just, it's so wonderful when you get to work with people who not only teach you, how to improve yourself as an actor, but just show you the kind of enthusiasm. He's like a child on set. He's so inquisitive and he's always playing some prank or he wants to play a game and he's always discussing, then you pack up and we go rehearse, and it's just a wonderful atmosphere that he creates. I'll never forget that, because the first time he called me, I was shooting in New Zealand, I remember. And for a matter of fact, Adi had also not told me that we're making Dhoom 3. So Amir had called me and said, "Superb." So I said, "बहुत अच्छी बात है." I didn't know we're making Dhoom 3. Adi had not even told me कि भैया ये बना रहे हैं. And he said, we must meet and we must discuss. तो मैंने कहा कि हाँ जी, मैं न्यूजीलैंड में हूँ, मैं लौट के आपसे मिलता हूँ. And I had no idea कि ये पिक्चर बनने वाली है who's doing what is happening. But even before we heard the script started, even our rehearsals, he was so excited, and he's maintained that throughout. So it's just an absolute pleasure to be on set with him and learn from him. It's great fun.
Stunts देखिए, I hope कि आप लोगों को अच्छे लगे और मुझे भी लगता है अच्छे आए हैं. और जो हमारे स्टंट कोऑर्डिनेटर थे, ज़्यादातर जो मेरे स्टंट्स हुए हैं, मेरे चेस सीक्वेंसेस, थ्रिल सीक्वेंसेस सारे शिकागो में हुए हैं. तो वी हैड अ स्टंट पर्सन फ्रॉम LA who did a wonderful job. Conrad did a wonderful job, he and his entire team. But they were very safe in the way they were working. तो कोई हड्डी वड्डी नहीं टूटी, I hope.
Dad was shooting for KBC, and the set of KBC is in Yashad Studios. He has known Adi since Adi was, I think, brought to him in the hospital when he was born. So he has a bit of a connect with him, and Adi came to him and said, Amit uncle, I want to show you the trailer. I think the trailer had just come out, right, Victor? This is, I think, day before yesterday. He didn't tell me. I think he met you. Yeah.
He told me about it.
Yeah. And he came home, and in his usual cool style, he said, saw the promo. Awesome. So I was happy. Yeah.
That's it? Just one more?
That's, I mean,
You
Amitabh
guys-
Bachchan saying awesome is a lot.
I think that's a lot.
That's a lot.
I don't think any of us are looking at records. I think what is really important for us is कि जो फिल्म हमने बनाई है वो लोगों को पसंद आए और वो वाकई उनको एक बड़ी एंटरटेनमेंट फिल्म से वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं उससे कहीं ज्यादा उनको मिले और उनको पूरा सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले, ये हम चाहते हैं.